How to fix your privacy setting on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Firstly, launch your Roblox application in your device. Now make sure to log in into it. Once you are logged in, tap on the More option. From here, click on the Setting Gear option. Then head over to Privacy. To fix your privacy setting, you can just click on the drop-down icon to set it as friends, everyone, or no one. By doing so, your Roblox account will be set on as a private account or as a public account. If you set it as a friends or everyone, your account will be public and you'll be able to join servers, and so does others can. However, if you tap on the No One option, your account and your activity status will be hidden, which means that you won't be able to join private servers, none of any of the followers too. By doing so, you'll be able to fix or change your privacy setting on Roblox. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.